1995 Chevy K3500 6.5 liter turbo diesel. This truck, I've had to do a cylinder head gasket replacement on it. Had pit marking on the passenger side, so I did go over it with JB Weld. The longest setting, 24-hour setting, and you had to use a file to file it down. But the batteries were wore down, and I did have to change an alternator because of it was draining the batteries dead. But I have several of these PMDs, and they're all made in America. Sandodine. But I am trying this one here, made in America. These all came with this truck when I bought it, just to see if it starts better. Glow plug light comes on. It should pop and fire right off if everything's working right. It doesn't start too bad and sound too bad. So maybe I will switch a PMD out today. No service light coming on. I've had several people, there it comes on. That's why I've tried different PMDs, because that service light always comes on. Charging good. But once you shut it off and start it, you really don't even need the glow plug long. I mean, it does fire right up and starts right up.